welcome to another episode of Culture Battles Part 4. Today's episode we got English Brian representing for the UK, and we have War Professor representing for Jamaica. We all know how it's going down. Artists will diss the crap out of each other's culture. What? Disrespect my culture, yeah? Yeah. It's not what I came here for. That's how it works. Just not what I came here for. BD's running, so guess what? You gotta go. Just spit something. You gotta do something. Okay, whatever.
My name English Brian ain't saying I'm a nuisance. This rap shit I do, this spit full like mucus. You gotta be foolish. Fuck you with me, I put a motherfucking chalk around your head like a boosted. Push you down the steps of life and say there's useless. Your bitch don't wanna suck my cock, she's useless. I'm building an empire, but I ain't talking about Lucius. Thinking I'm gonna let you live? I can't do this. Just got to my attention and all y'all is dummies. Screaming real rich while you asking me for money. And your prime minister, she done some shit. Gave for a little bit of money and a prison for a dog. Stop your knife. Yo, me no want hear it no longer. Drop the beat because them can't manage my anger. Brian a waste man, me can't even bother. Take your money out your prison and go suck on the mother. Easy kill. Watch it now, I grave him there. Can't over some money for that slave thing there. Put my gunshot in a NSA. Rah! You dizzy yet, matter of fact. You go suck Queen Elizabeth. Before you see me, nigga, you smelling crime. I came with 245, but I ain't telling time. What? Yo, what, nigga? Yo, rap a lot, nigga.
I'm about to pop off. Yo, chill. Anyway, folks, don't forget to share, comment, like, support by sharing, also buy a box t-shirt. Bucks, don't move your fears. Culture Battle Part 5 coming next. It's gonna be an all-around battle. Everybody gonna be in it battling. Everybody's gonna be crazy. Hey, you cannot talk to my brother like this.